Mastering Photography, Unleashing Your Creativity Through the Lens. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's close to our hearts, photography. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you capture stunning images. So grab your camera and let's dive right in.
The power of composition. Cut to host. Holding a camera, demonstrating composition techniques. Composition is key when it comes to photography. It's all about how you frame your shot and arrange the elements within it. Let's explore a few composition techniques that can transform your photos.
1. Rule of thirds. Explains and demonstrates the rule of thirds using grid overlays on sample photos. The rule of thirds is a fundamental guideline in photography. By placing key elements along the intersection points of the grid, you create a visually pleasing composition that draws the viewer's attention. 2. Leading lines. Shows examples of leading lines in different environments.
Leading lines can guide the viewer's eyes through your photo, creating a sense of depth and leading them to the main subject. Look for natural or man-made lines that can enhance your composition. 2. Mastering light and exposure. Cut to host in a beautifully lit setting. Lighting and exposure play a crucial role in photography. Let's explore how you can use light to your advantage and achieve the perfect exposure.
1. Golden hour. Host showcases photos taken during the golden hour. The golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, provides soft, warm light that adds a magical touch to your photos. Take advantage of this time for stunning outdoor shots. 2. Balancing exposure. Host demonstrates how to adjust exposure settings on a camera. Sometimes your camera's automatic settings might not capture the scene as you envision it. Learn to adjust your exposure settings manually to achieve the desired brightness and balance in your photos.
3. Unleashing your creativity. Cut to host in a creative setting with various props. Photography is an art form, and it's an opportunity to express your unique vision. Let's explore ways to unleash your creativity and make your photos stand out. 1. Perspective play. Host demonstrates perspective techniques with different angles and focal lengths. Experiment with different perspectives to add depth and interest to your images. Play with low angles, high angles, and unique vantage points to create captivating compositions. 2. Post-processing magic. Host briefly discusses post-processing software and techniques.
Post-processing allows you to enhance your images and give them a personal touch. Explore software like Adobe Lightroom or Snapseed to fine-tune your photos and make them truly shine. Conclusion. Host summarizes the key takeaways. And there you have it, folks. We hope these photography tips and tricks inspire you to unleash your creativity and take your photography skills to the next level. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there, explore the world through your lens, and capture those magical moments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more photography-related content. Until next time, happy shooting.